Today, I'm going to show you guys how to turn your glass shower doors from this to this in 5 minutes or less. So one of the biggest things that we're known for here at the Chemical Guys channel is detailing cars. But did you guys know that our products can stretch further than that? And what I mean by that is here at home. A lot of our products can actually be used at home, and for the best example here, it's going to be used on our glass shower doors. More specifically, we're going to be singling out our streak-free glass cleaner, our heavy-duty water spot remover gel, and our HydroView ceramic glass coating. Now we're going to be using those three combinations of products to really just bring back the clarity of this glass and get these glass shower doors nice and right. So I'm going to grab these products and I'll show you guys the process in just 5 minutes or less. Alright guys, so the first step in this detailing process is cleaning the surface. So although it may look already clean, it's actually very dirty, and we just want to make sure that the surface is clean before we do anything to it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to grab our streak-free glass cleaner and one of our blue workhorse towels, and we're simply just going to clean the surface by spraying directly. And then I'm also going to spray just a few sprays onto my towel for some added lubrication and cleaning power. And we're simply going to go from top to bottom, left to right, and we're just going to ensure that there's absolutely no dirt or grime sitting on the glass. That way, whenever we use our heavy-duty water spot remover gel, we don't potentially scratch the glass, because that's the last thing that we want to do, is damage the glass and make it look even worse. So as you guys can see, the water spots are still here, and I just wanted to point this out right now before we do anything else, because I wanted to show you guys that these water spots are etched into the glass. They're not going anywhere. They're not going to be removed with a glass cleaner. You actually need something specifically for this, which is our heavy duty water spot remover gel, which, speaking of which, I'm going to pull that out right now and show you guys how to use it. And here we have our heavy duty water spot remover gel, which is a very easy to use product that you can use on not just your car, but like I said, here at your home as well. And all you need to do to use it is basically you just need a microfiber applicator. So what you want to do is open up the spout, and then you want to apply a couple drops onto your microfiber applicator. So all you need to do is apply a few drops of heavy duty water spot remover gel onto your microfiber applicator. In this case, since we're doing this entire door, I'm going to apply 6 full-size drops, and then we'll add more if need be. So now that you're done applying your drops to your applicator pad, now you can go ahead and start blotting it out onto the surface. And then the trick with this product is you just want to make sure that you work it in evenly. A lot of people think that you just apply it and wipe it right off, but the actual trick with this product is you want to work it in because it is a gel-based cleaner. So you want to make sure that you work it in a crosshatch motion, up, down, left and right. Repeat if you have to, but I honestly recommend working it in up until the product starts kind of drying up on you. And then once you feel it kind of drying up, then you can go ahead and grab a microfiber towel and start wiping it off. And a pro tip for you guys, whenever you're wiping off heavy duty water spot remover gel, feel free to use water, a quick detail spray, or even a glass cleaner to help you remove it. That way it comes off easier and you have no residue left behind. And sorry, one last thing, you also neutralize the cleaner because it is citrus based, so you want to make sure that you neutralize the cleaner once you're done using it. As you guys can see, basically where my fingertips and down reach, we have not touched yet. So all this right here that you're looking at, this is all still all water spotted up, versus up here where my fingertips are at and higher, this is nice and crystal clear. It's nice and smooth as well. I do want to mention, you can feel the actual smoothness of the glass, versus down here, you still hear all the embedded water spot contamination that's sitting on the glass. And then to finalize everything, because the last thing that we want to do is remove the water spots only for them to come back again, is protect the surface. And to do so, we're going to be utilizing our HydroView ceramic glass coating and cleaner in one. So yes, this product combines both a glass cleaning aspect and a ceramic coating into one. And it's very easy to use. All you have to do is simply spray directly onto the surface, grab yourself a premium microfiber towel and simply wipe off the residue. And just like that, you remove the water spots from your glass and ceramic coated your glass in less than 5 minutes. It's that easy to achieve incredible results like this using Chemical Guys products, more specifically heavy duty water spot remover gel and our HydroView ceramic glass coating and cleaner. And we also had our streak-free glass cleaner, which we only use at the beginning just to prepare the surface. We don't want to use HydroView at the beginning because we don't want to ceramic coat it, because it's going to be pointless, because you're going to ceramic coat it, then you're going to remove it with your heavy duty water spot remover gel. So that's why we save the best for last. So now that this is all nice and clear, all we have to do is basically finish the rest of the glass. So I'm going to finish up this glass shower door and I'll be back to show you guys the final results. Alright guys, so now that we've ceramic coated this glass shower door with HydroView, now I want to show you guys what spraying water onto a surface that has been treated with HydroView versus one that has not been treated with HydroView. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the water real quick here. Oh. Alright, so I'm going to start spraying the door here that we already coated with HydroView. So one thing I do want you guys to pay attention as we spray is that a lot of the water does not end up sticking. So you'll see that as I'm spraying onto the surface, when I stop, a lot of this water just ends up falling right to the ground. And eventually all these little water speckles left behind, they're gonna do the exact same thing. They're just gonna go ahead and fall, or you can actually make your life a lot easier by cleaning your glass shower doors by simply just giving it a wipe down with a cloth. Now on this side, I'm gonna spray directly. And one thing I want you guys to pay attention to is that there's a lot more water that sticks to the surface of the glass. So you'll see that there's a lot more water left on this side than there is on the side that we already coated with HydroView. So as you guys can see, I'll go ahead and just kind of hover my hand over it. That way I can get some focus on the water spots. But you can see that there's a ton of water left behind here. All this water that's on the surface is actually gonna go ahead and just etch onto your glass. Versus this side right here, there is a protectant on the actual glass itself, which is gonna help repel a lot of this stuff from sticking in the first place. And also, it's gonna prevent things from etching onto your glass. And this goes not only for your glass shower doors, but your car's glass as well. So like your windshield, your back glass, the side glass, it's also gonna repel things like water, dirt, grime, keeping your surfaces cleaner for longer. And just like that, it's that easy to remove water spots on your glass shower doors at home. So we did this using two products, the first being our Chemical Guys Heavy Duty Water Spot Remover Gel, and we also used our HydroView ceramic glass coating and cleaner in one to protect the glass, one to remove it with this product obviously. But if you guys want to go ahead and pick up these products, you can pick them up on our website chemicalguys.com. You can also swing by your local detail garage store. There will be links to both of those in the description and in the pinned comment down below. As always, make sure to like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also comment down below where you guys are using your Chemical Guys products when it's not on your car. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you next time.